Interesting though, because they have a different system for all these shutters. Right, they have a similar system but with 2 hinges instead of 3. For some reason they have 3 there and only 2 here. And in this last room, the first one where we started, they have a completely different system with just 3 screws. Go figure. However, they are coming off quite well. So that's this, and now we're moving on to the bathroom where we started in the last episode.
Wat stikken jullie? Ja, ik heb wel met genoeg in je smaak. Kijk, nou, dat was dat. Met genoeg. Als het goed is, komt hier. Kijk nou terug. Als ik dan. Nou, was wel blij dat ik het gedaan heb, want ik ook niet tijd gehad. Weer ik van al over, dat was het. Ja.
So moving on from bathroom here, our future bedroom here, we've done this little hallway thingy. And now it's time to move on to the next one. This little room here, from little to this room here. We'll start again by trying to get these out, followed by the indoor shutters. Also, I have to show you this system, which is the rail for these shutters. They have this ingenious design with these wheels on the bottom and like, anyways, I won't digress too much, but it's very interesting. And this is, I think this is lead, and they've made a hole in this stone that filled it up with lead to be able to screw in a screw. I think it's quite a nice system. I mean, it's a bit outdated obviously, but it works, so. I guess I've made an amazing effort of clearing out this bit of the garden here, and not surprisingly found something interesting. So no idea what this is, but it's an enormous slab of concrete, so might as well try to either lift it or break it apart, because this is in the middle of our vegetable lot. So first we're gonna try to find some gold again underneath this concrete.
Ja, 1, 2. Er zit er een beetje in, hè? Ja. Hier probeer maar eens te één kant. We moeten even dansen, dan zo. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ja. Ja. Twee. Ja. Oh.
Weird, but this is the situation. Just a big fat slab of concrete. No gold, unfortunately. Again, we also thought at some point it might be a grave or something, but and we have found no bones as of yet. That is. I think the thing to do now is just smack it in half and then get it out of here. This is the last day that I have with my cuisine over. So after that, I'll be on my own for a little bit until the next visitors come and help me out, which is quite soon. We're gonna clean this up a little bit and then call it a day. So thank you so much for supporting us by watching this episode, and hope to catch you guys in the next one. Ciao.